Hello WordPress website creators. I'm happy to see this screen. The green marks simply says the demo content import for my installation is complete and now I can visit my new website. Let us see the website, and here is my new website that I am targeting for weight loss clinic. Yes, so obesity and overweight is considered to be a disease nowadays, and the weight loss clinics are now in high trend. So especially in India, weight loss is very trendy thing nowadays, as I have seen in the metros and the cities. So obesity clinics are on high trends, and if you wish to create a website for obesity clinic or weight loss services, this video is exactly for you. This can be a very good choice in form of a theme that we are going to discuss, and the theme that we are going to overview in this video is Gracioza. Gracioza is a dedicated WordPress theme for weight loss clinic and healthy blogs. So it has been developed by the Ancora Themes, and they are of course Power Elite author at Envato Market. So we have seen many wonderful themes from this house, and you can check the developers profile. In fact, they are really very good, and they bring they brought multiple successful WordPress theme on the Envato Market. You can check the portfolio here. So I believe, okay, so it is 1,46,000 sales has been done already, and they are working since 2015. So okay, let us proceed. We are not here to discuss the profile. We are mainly going to explore this website and the theme options that we got after installation. So the website is complete, and I got all the internal pages. This is about page up, and speed is really awesome. All the internal pages are working fine. Some tools and shortcodes that I can see here: the nutrition and all post, the health tab, the fitness and all. So all internal pages we can say we have with this demo import, and we can proceed for adding the content, and the website for the weight loss clinic can be ready within a day, in fact. So if you have ready content, you can simply launch your website very quickly, and we are here for providing you the SEO oriented, in fact answer engine optimized content through the iCreate program. And here is the iCreate program. I believe if you are a regular visitor of this channel, you must be a member of this program. There is no fee for program. There is no joining fee for this program, and you can join this program for free, and soon you'll interact with a new website of iCreate program. Okay, so this is very popular and interactive program that you can join for WordPress website. Now we have this, and I'll take you to the backend very quickly to show you all the features, the all the customization options that is available with the Gracioza, and you can proceed for customizing your website, for installing your website, of course, after buying the theme. The theme you can buy through the video description link at themeforest.net just for $59, and in this $59 you are going to get quality checked by Envato, the future updates, all future updates. So this is a very common question at iCreate program. Will we get all the future updates? Yes, you get all future updates of this theme when you are buying the theme at themeforest.net through the video description link. And the theme already got the existing reviews, that is 5-star reviews from the existing users. So you can say simply understand how the quality is being liked by the existing users, right? So we are here, and now I am going to show you the plugin list. First of all, what we installed with the theme. Okay, you might be thinking why I'm not showing the installation step. It being so simple, so you just need to follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be fine to install the theme and all set of plugins. The theme pack contains the installable theme file. The child theme is also included. Some plugins that you don't need actually, because the installation wizards wizard will help you installing all the listed plugins. So, okay, so which are the plugins that is coming with the theme pack? Calculated field forms. Yes, calculated field form is included because this website. Okay, so must show you one thing. The calculated field forms, WP Bakery Page Builder, WooCommerce, MailChimp, and Contact Form 7. It is listed here. But if I wish to show you the plugin area, yes, all are included. And okay, right. The included plugins. Calculated field form is here, and it brings a feature on the website about the weight calculator. This is a very important feature if you are targeting the website for the weight loss management clinic. It is a very important calculator that can be used directly, like 160 if it is height, what should be the weight, and if it is 180, what should be the weight. So it is working automatically, and this is a very useful calculator in terms of weight loss guides and all. Okay, great. So the contact form 7 is also here. Essential grid, MailChimp for WooCommerce, Cider Revolution for Hero Image, Smith Boolean from Instagram feed, Theme Racks add-ons is here, Theme Rocks updater, the WooCommerce of course here. If you are planning to sell online, this plugin is not for you, and WP Bakery Page Builder. So all has been installed clearly. If we talk about the customization options, I'll show you the additional things that we will be using with the theme features. So layouts are here. The layouts gives us option to control the footer area and the header area that is being used on the website. You can edit the content using the WP Bakery Page Builder. Like if I wish to show the header, you can simply edit the header elements using the WP Bakery Page Builder simply by clicking on this link. So layout gives us option to create new layout, edit the existing ones, and even you can create the layout group. And the WP Bakery is a very established page builder. Even you are thinking about the Elementor, I would recommend go with WP Bakery. So this is a very established page builder, and you can simply edit the content using the front end or back end editor. For back end editor, you can simply add or remove the section that you want. Here is the backend editor. You can add the empty space, layouts, logo and all, and you can simply edit the content using the pencil button, which is available with all sections. So handle carefully and you'll be able to edit the content simply. In the service area, you can simply edit the content of services visible on the website. And again, it is going to be so simple. So there are 26 published service like calculate your ideal weight, choose weight loss program. This is very important. I must show you. This is the weight loss program content. Just you can update your content of course, and there are many in fact. What is recommended? You can edit the existing content according to your website needs, according to service needs or your client needs, or delete all the services and create new service pages as you like. Similarly, we have the team and the testimonials, so we can edit the content simply by following the navigation links. Next, we have the WooCommerce and products. If you are targeting a website for selling the products using the Gracioza WordPress theme, you can do, and you can start selling product by the integrated WooCommerce, that is the e-commerce options available with the theme pack. And some demo products are here, so you can check the product listing, how it is being displayed. Simple, effective way to sell the products online. So WooCommerce brings all the great features for an e-commerce website. You can use the feature. And the WooCommerce settings are here, the products upload, brands, categories that you can use. Next, I wish to show you the appearance section. where we have the patterns, customized options, and all basic options through which we can customize our website. Like we have theme options, and demo data is also can be accessed from here. So I must show you all the screens. First, I'll show you the customized option in form of theme options. In the theme option, we have very simple things but very useful things, like logo and site identity can be uploaded from here. Further, we have in the general setting, body style, the sidebar positions, and the content widgets at the top of the page. You can select all the elements that you wish to show on the page. Header and footer section, you can choose front page builder. This is a very important thing that I wish to show you in Ancora themes. I mean the themes coming from this house, Ancora themes. So they used to provide, I mean their panel, the theme panel in fact, gives us an option to control the home page elements through the theme panel, and what elements you want to show and how you want to configure those things can be handled through the theme panel. Like this is about us, the latest port. So this is a very useful thing that I have seen in the theme panel from this house, and yes, it works very fine. So you can edit the content of the home page particularly from this area, not exactly content, in fact the elements content can be edited using the page builder option. And you can check the about Gracioza here, and next I'll show you the how the import demo data works. In the install demo data section, which is very important when you are importing the demo data, we have option either to choose pages, forms and slider, or if it is a new installation, you can go with whole site demo import that I used for importing all the contents, including the media items, post, theme options, plugin settings, widgets, and all. And after completing the demo import, you'll get the site website like this. So this is a complete website, of course, and we need to update our content and website will be fine to launch. So this options is very important when you are targeting a demo website and you wish to launch a website like any of these layouts. So only one layout is available with all set of internal pages. This is very good. Okay. So what can be the next? Theme Rex updater and the file editor. I must show you the media items that we got in the demo import. However, all the media images are copyright marked, so we cannot use the images exactly. Just in case, if you are willing to use any particular image, you can download it from the actual demo that can be read through the themeforest.net link. So this is the actual demo and I was showing my one. So here there is no copyright mark in case if you want to use. However, it is not recommended, but I just gave you the idea. Okay, fine. So all is here, and in the media library we got 96 media items that was included in the demo content, right? What next? I can show you the layouts and also things I have shown you, the appearance and the content, add-ons and all. WP Bakery Builder is of course here. Essential Weight and Slider Revolution. So in the Slider Revolution area, you can edit the hero area, I mean the slider part of the website. And again, the hero area is the thing that loads at very first scroll. So it is very important to handle the content very carefully. And here is the slider. You can edit the slider part here, and you have to keep in mind you need to use the same dimension of image, same length of text content what has been used in the demo, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website and you'll be fine to edit the content. So simply edit the content here or the overall image. For editing the media content, you can go in the media option, like this is the media option. You can change the media element, and it is the like sections are here, the button, the style and all. So it is going to be easy, but if you are working at very first time at the slider revision, it is recommended to make a backup. How you can take a backup of a slider on your website? So you can simply go to the list of slider revolution and you can create a backup using the duplicate option. So before you start editing, it is good idea to make a duplicate. In case if you made a mistake, you can restore those things. Next, I have the essential grid, and it is very important when you are willing to add certain elements at your website. So you can add empty grid, the grid templates, add-ons, and all. So the grid collapse and all, it is already integrated, and you can use this thing directly at your website. You can go for respective settings. The calculated feed form is the area where you can edit the existing forms that is being used on the website. Somehow my internet is slow, but I don't wish to hide anything during the demonstration. In the forms, you can simply check the entries, how many requests that you have received at the website. You can rename, duplicate, or use the short codes, and you can, of course, edit the content. When you click on the build button, you'll get all the options for editing the form, and here are the elements that you can drag and drop for creating new form in case if you need. So calculated field forms works on the formula or the calculation that you want to use. In case if you wish to have a new form on your website, and if you are facing or not sure how you can create this, simply join the iCreate program. A mentor will help you in creating a form for you. So don't worry, we can do all the things for you, and there might be some nominal fee, but most of the basic things for customization and setups are free at our iCreate program. So you can simply go ahead for creating a website using the Gracioza or any other theme. There are hundreds of themes to choose and compare on this channel, and all are covered through our iCreate program. Any element, any feature that you want to use at your website, all logical features, all logical requirements can be fulfilled through the program. If there is fee, that would be a very nominal fee, and the basic setups and customizations are absolutely free when you are buying the theme at the themeforest.net through the video description link. That is of course an affiliate link. This is how the model of support works, and you can even reach to the theme developers directly if you wish to do so. Okay, all is great, and I found this setup complete and it is ready to go. And simply you can install the theme following the on-screen instruction, and if you are facing any issue in the installation, we are here to help you. Just a click away, write in the comment or get in touch on a live chat with a mentor. Gracioza is going to be a perfect choice if you are targeting a website for weight loss clinic, obesity management clinic. And finally, when you are editing the content on the front end, on the pages, simply open the page that you want to edit, and you can edit the content using the WP Bakery page builder, which is very established page builder, and it works very fine. So either you can use the front-end editor or directly go to the back-end editor. So front-end editor, with the front-end editor, you'll be able to see the changes at the real time. And the back-end editor gives you some additional option, like when you want to add the elements directly on the page. It is very simple to use, just like you are working on the Word file. And you can simply edit all the content, put your own content, and launch your website. In the next video, we are going to discuss more things, more features, more helpful tools about the WordPress website. Keep watching, keep building, and don't miss to subscribe and press the bell button for regular updates coming on this channel. Thank you.